Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to print from Google Drive. Printing documents or images directly from Google Drive can transform what might seem like a daunting task into a smooth, efficient process. Whether you're working from home, at the office, or even on the go, being able to print your files from Google Drive means you can have hard copies of your important documents whenever you need them. So, let's break down the steps to make this as easy as possible. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to Google Drive. Open your favorite web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, and head over to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that holds the document or image you wish to print. Google Drive's interface is designed to be intuitive, displaying all your files in a well-organized manner. Whether these are files you've created, ones you've uploaded, or even those shared with you, finding what you need should be straightforward. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to locate the specific document or image that you intend to print. Simply click on it to open. Depending on your browser settings, this action will either open the file in a new tab or within the same window. Google Drive is compatible with various file types, including documents, PDFs, images, and more. So, regardless of the type of file you're dealing with, the procedure remains consistent. If you have numerous files, using the sidebar to sort by recent files or employing the search function can expedite the process. With your file open, the next step is to find the print icon. This icon is typically displayed in the toolbar at the top of your screen and is represented by a small printer symbol, which is a familiar icon across many platforms and applications. Clicking on this icon will bring up a print dialog box. Here, you'll have the opportunity to select your desired printer and tweak your print settings according to your needs. In the print settings, you can decide on the number of copies you need or adjust the page range if you're working with a multi-page document. You can also choose specific layout options, such as orientation, whether portrait or landscape. These options ensure that your document is printed exactly how you envision it. A handy tip is to double-check that your printer is connected properly and has enough paper to avoid any last-minute issues, especially if you're working under time constraints. After making these selections, you're ready to press the print button. Depending on the size and complexity of your document or image, the printing process might take a few moments. It's always a good idea to verify that the correct printer is selected, particularly if you're connected to a network with multiple printers. And there you have it, a printed copy of your Google Drive file, ready for you to use, share, or archive as necessary. Thank you for joining us today to learn how to print from Google Drive. This straightforward skill is invaluable for personal, educational, or professional purposes, simplifying your digital tasks significantly. Remember, technology is here to make life easier. So, feel free to explore more features that Google Drive offers. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to print from Google Drive quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.